Here on Smokin Silicon, we love to buy way too much garbage from Goodwill, but there is a cost to our addiction. The box. Whenever we don't know what to do with something, it ends up in here. And in this video, I'll test a few of these cursed devices out, and you'll see firsthand why we've been so scared to look through them. Alright guys, I got the device of the century out here. We got a genuine Craig. This is the DankPod Special, right? This is his thing?
It's a Craig!
Let's see here, how does this work? None of the buttons are doing anything. What did I do? Ow. Oh wait, we got something. It says on, 4096, play.
And conducting an investigation.
Are you listening to the news?
Planning of the rally and financial mechanism.
It's more news. They're just recording the news. This thing's useless. It has nothing on it. I'm so mad. Come on, Craig. Alrighty. Oh my God, we got a phone with stuff on it immediately. We got a George and his 13 voicemails. What even is this? It's like an LG something. All right. Oh, there's no passcode. We went right to a home screen. That's amazing. Is that a text message icon? We have a text on here? Oh my goodness. These are all from 2019? Oh no. Oh, come on! We always get these kind of phones on the channel. Why can't any of these phones just be normal, wholesome devices? Hey baby, I got your request that you were looking for hot singles. Why do they always gotta be hot singles? Why can't they just be like mid singles? You know, some people just want a mid single, you know? And he's using the Facebook Messenger through Google Chrome, okay? Also, his buttons, his like navigation buttons on the bottom are all like mixed around. He's got the task thing on the right, the back in the middle, and the home screen on the left. Oh, we got tools up here. What are we gonna have in the downloads? Here we go. I see some accidental screenshots. Amazing. And then under Facebook, we have this baby photo and what is this? It's just like a coffee table and a TV. Oh, they're like looking at cars. These are like classic cars. Cool. That is tragic. Looks like they got their truck or something. The mileage is 222,221 miles. I assume they meant to take a picture, you know, with all the twos or whatever, but no, they just missed it. Oh no, there we go. We got the follow-up photo. They got the 6 twos in a row. Let's go, baby. Yes. I'm gonna assume this is our 200K champ right here. Oh, baby, we got the return of the red minivan. Wait a minute. We'll blur the numbers, obviously, but this thing's from Ohio. All the weirdest phones are from Ohio. Why? Why has it gotta be this way? But I don't trust this phone yet. Let's keep exploring. We got the McDonald's app. Oh, it actually opened? Wait, we got 2 things in our bag right now. What were they ordering? They were ordering a sausage McMuffin with egg and a large coffee. Wow, I don't even remember when the McDonald's app looked like this, to be honest. It's kind of cool. Anyway, let's go ahead and move on to Facebook. We got 23 notifications for Facebook, so hopefully this actually will show us something. Oh, things are loading. And by things, I mean like the basic interface. Nothing is actually showing up here on the homepage. Can I see what these notifications were? People sharing updates. There's a birthday. You liked a post. Okay, so it's all standard notifications. Let's check out the Facebook Messenger because I see we have 6 notifications for that here. Please update Messenger. No. Wait. No, let me through. Oh no, it's not gonna work. This might be the one time on the channel that Facebook Messenger has existed and was used on a phone, and it just like doesn't work. We got the Chrome app down here. Is this gonna have anything good? 45 tabs! Oh my. Cheap bargain. They're looking at used Corvettes. Unsold pickup truck inventory causing something. Truck dealers choice.sale. They're either trying to sell their truck or trying to buy a truck. Oh, maybe they're trying to sell their truck to get a Corvette. It all checks out. Yeah, I would say about 30 of these tabs are just looking for weather in Ohio. Maybe 10 of them are Metro PCS, and then there's like 5 random other things, looking for trucks or whatever. I guess the last thing I can check here is maybe I can listen to some of these voicemails.
George, give me a call.
Oh, you better give George a call. He's gonna come get you. He does not sound happy. Is this thing actually connected to the internet right now? Because I see we have full bars up top, and the time is correct. It says it's 4:41 p.m., and that's what time it is right now. What? See, look, it's 4:41. Well, anyway, I doubt we're actually going to have any kind of internet connection. But what kind of phone are we even looking at here? LG Aristo. Okay. Looks like we're also on Android 7.0. Pretty old. The only thing I can find with that name is this Aristo 2. There might have been one before it, but it looks like this was from, yeah, 2018, as you can see. Either way, let's go to move on to the next device. All right, up next I have this. Is this like an iPod Touch competitor? I'm really not sure. Let me take the screen protector off. Actually looks pretty nice under there. Oh, baby, there we go. It is booting up. That's amazing. Android is starting. This is an Android phone? I seriously thought it was an MP3 player. All right, it thinks it's 9:12 p.m., December 31st, 2018. I am not recording this in 2018, I can assure you. Unlocking the device. It does look like we go right to a home screen, so no passcode. That's awesome. And this all looks fairly generic and stock on the home screen here, but we can start with the gallery, see if there's any photos on this. Oh, we got pictures. These all look like album covers, so maybe this thing was used like an MP3 player. There is a music app on this device. So, oh, we got music. That's awesome. Oh my God, we got a good amount of music. Okay, so I wasn't too far off assuming this is an MP3 player then. Christina Aguilera, Celine Dion, Backstreet Boys. This is all like 2000s era music. That's interesting. Oh, we got NSYNC on here. Let's go. Anyway, what else is on this thing? We got this little like book looking thing. Is this gonna have books? Ebook reader. Okay. Are these just like default free books or are these actual books that this person bought? They never read any of them, so I'm really not sure. Oh, but look at that. The actual book is like on the device. That's kind of shocking. Now, I don't see any kind of like phone or text. Yeah, there's no phone call, no text features on this. So this is a phoneless Android thing. It's like a tablet, but on like a tiny screen. Really interesting device. It really is an Android MP3 player. We do have this little video thing down here. We got a movie? 48 seconds. Gursg2_0.mp4.
If you like smoking silicon, you gotta like and subscribe.
I don't know if I'll ever recover from that. Does Spotify actually do anything? I doubt it. Nah, it just takes us to the sign-in page. So that's actually kind of amazing. They never used this for streaming music. They only kept their music locally on the device. Oh, look at this. About MP4. It's called an MP4 device instead of a phone. It's on Android 6, was last updated in 2017, which, I mean, if this thing was mostly used offline anyway, who cares? Either way, let's go ahead and move on to the next device. Okay, up next we have a Nook from Barnes & Noble. Critical battery alert, your Nook's battery charge is too low to operate. It's not turning on, and it's been charging for a really long time. Oh my God. What happened to the back of this? Did they like spill an entire jar of coffee on this? Like, this is crazy. Oh, it's sticky. Yep. Oh, that's gross. Can I just take that off? Thankfully, I can. Okay. Seeing a little bit of an issue here with the battery. I don't know if it's supposed to like kind of bubble up a little bit like that, but I'm going to assume no. How the heck does this thing turn on though? I don't see a power button or anything on it. It's charging. You guys see that? I don't know if I saw that before, mostly because the case was on. So I guess we'll just come back to this when it's maybe done charging. All right, guys, up next, I got this AGPT. Wait, we just saw an AGP thing. Is this a, wait, what is happening? There's music playing immediately. We were looking at this earlier. So it's like the same company. They make like MP3 players, some with Android and some with like not Android. What is this? Does this thing have like speakers? I'm not hearing anything. Let's see, if I go home here, can I see like other things that are on here? We got music. Yeah, let's check out all songs. The only song on here is Richard Clayderman, and then it's Chinese. Okay. This thing has a radio function. That's kind of cool. We got video, All Rise Blue. Oh, you gotta view it in landscape. What in the world are we looking at? Okay, it's a music video of some kind. Is this like a boy band? Anyway, this thing kind of sucks. Let me check the SD card real quick. Maybe that has something on it. Nope, it had literally nothing. I'm upset. All right, guys, up next I got this Yoga laptop. It's by Lenovo. It's not in the greatest condition. It's pretty beat up. Let's go ahead and open it up, see what the inside looks like. You know, not too bad, actually. And ooh, we're already booted up. I had to charge it for a little bit, so it must have turned on. Looks like we got a user already set up here. There's a pin. Oh, great. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pin incorrect. Dang it. Oh, that's all right. We'll just have to factory reset this, make sure it still works and everything. But if it does, we will be selling it at jrobgaming.com. Scan the QR code right there if you're interested. Let's go ahead and move on to the next device. All right, what is this thing we got up next? An LG phone. Let's see. Does this thing boot up? Oh, look at that. We're on a lock screen right here. Is it going to unlock? Ooh, straight to a home screen. What version of Android is this? What in the world? Oh yeah, this looks like, I don't know, Android 4.0, I want to say, like, you know, skin on top of it. What is this? Bluetooth share sent files 81 successful. What were you sending over Bluetooth? VCF. Is that like contact info? I feel like that's like SIM card stuff. It was sent to a Galaxy Grand Prime. Oh, they must have upgraded to a new phone. That makes sense. Does that mean we're not going to have anything actually on this phone because it was all like sent away? Oh, it might be. We only have one photo. And it's of this cat. I do see that we have 99 notifications for email. The app just called email. Okay. Oh, you gotta sign back into the email. Oh, lame. Have any text messages? Oh, we do. Okay. Be decisive. Right or wrong, make a decision. The road of life is paved with flat squirrels who couldn't make a decision. That's just messed up. Like that, I don't know. That's just like not called for, frankly. I listed 8 items today. Maybe I'll get the hang of this yet. eBay store and listing template will be included. That will increase your business 30%. Is this like a multi-level marketing kind of thing for like an eBay store? What is going on here? Assignment, please go to YouTube and learn about everything you can on feedback. Questions, let me know. What? Why does this seem so sketchy? Anyway, that was a text. We can't see the emails. We got a Hangouts app here. I haven't seen someone use Google Hangouts in a long time. Google Play Services, which some of your applications rely on, is not supported by your device. This is an Android phone that doesn't support Google Play Services? How? Application Manager. It looks like one of those annoying little apps that like installs a bunch of garbage for you. Oh, we got 2 Google Chrome tabs, terms of service, and welcome to Google. Okay, this was never used. Also, look at this Chrome like app icon. That is so old. Zynga Games. Oh, okay. Whoops. We can't find the internets. A connection to the internet is required. We also have a very old YouTube logo. I love to see that. Oh, baby, look at this UI. Oh, this is awesome. You can see all the categories. You can try to sign in. Let's browse channels. An error occurred. Lame. What kind of phone even is this? Was I right that this is like Android 4.0? Looks like it's an LG Optimus L9. Looks about right to me. When did this thing come out? Ooh, released 2012. That is a very old phone. Oh, and sure enough, we are on Android 4.1.2. Sounds like kind of a nice looking phone for how old it is. Let's go ahead and move on to the next device. All right, guys, up next we have an iPad, as you can see, in a very fancy folding case. We can see if it turns on. I'm just gonna hold the power button and see what happens. I did see it was trying to boot up for a little bit, like when it was plugged in and charging, but it doesn't look like it wants to turn on at all without a charger plugged into it at the moment. Okay, plugged it back in. It is turning on. Oh, nope, it definitely looks like it's in a boot loop because it's on for like 3 seconds and then any second now you'll see it turn. Yep, there it goes, turns back off. Ah, cool. On to the next device. All right, guys, up next I have this LG phone here. I'm actually pretty excited for this because this is like one of those slidey phones. Look at that bad boy, that's awesome. I'm just gonna go ahead and take.
Oh my goodness!
Okay, maybe I should leave the case on. Let's just see if this thing powers up. Nope, I'm not seeing no power at all. Oh, plugging it in seemed to work though. It's booting up now. Wow, this has to be a really old version of Android. There. Did I get it? Nope. I don't want to look at this sticky thing no more. Well, anyway, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please let me know down in the comments below. And if you want to see a video involving 2 more really sketchy phones that were somehow trying to be knockoff iPhone 17 Pros, like already, the phone just came out. Click the video right here. Those things, they should not be legal, frankly.